Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious omelette with just 3 eggs, Swiss cheese, salt and pepper, and some onions. Now, the key to making a perfect omelette is all in the technique. You want to use medium heat for the pan. Too much heat will just cook the eggs too quickly, resulting in a dry, rubbery mess. So, let's crack those eggs and get started. Next, we're going to grate some Swiss cheese. This will add a nice, melty texture to our omelette. And now, we're going to sauté some onions. These will give our omelette a delicious, savory flavor. Okay, it's time to add our egg mixture to the pan. And now we wait just a few seconds until the edges start to set. And now, with a flick of the wrist, we're going to fold that omelette in half. Look at that perfection. And there you have it, a delicious, cheesy, oniony omelette. Remember, the key to a great omelette is all in the technique. Use medium heat and take your time.